Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall extensions from Cursor. So once you're inside Cursor, all you have to do is click the apps or extension icon towards the upper left hand side. And if you're not able to see this, you can easily go ahead and either, change it from these different icons. And if you're not seeing the bar, you can quickly go ahead and toggle that sidebar on from the upper right. And as you can see, there's different bars. You can go ahead and you can toggle those sidebar on or off. Otherwise, you can quickly access this as well by going to File, go down to Preferences, and you can click on Extensions there or press Ctrl Shift and X as you can see. So that's a quick way how to access it. Press Ctrl Shift and X, and that's going to quickly open that as well. Now you want to go to where you have the installed extensions and you want to go ahead and click on that extension that you want to uninstall. So for example, if I want to uninstall Docker, I click on it, then on the top here you can see details about the extensions, and you can either choose to disable it if you want, or you want to uninstall it, just simply click on uninstall, and that's it. It is now uninstalled from your Cursor here, and as you can see, it now shows you the install icon there as well. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and uninstall extension on Cursor AI.